Okay, we've now stopped and we've got a ton of marks and we're gonna probably start fishing here. So let's start setting up the rods.
On the bottom?
Okay, right now we're setting the rods up. Got this one set out. Fishing for walleye out here. Water clarity is okay.
It's just gonna bend
First
over.
walleye, guys. Oh, that is
It's just gonna bend over. Nope, there's one.
Why did you say it's a sheep head?
Hey, because we're shaking his head a lot. That's a keeper. Small keeper.
first keeper.
You better get a walleye!
Come on.
Got a big one? Got a walleye. Yeah. Hey, wait for me.
You don't want to set the hook. Because we're trolling. We're trolling. The boat sets the hook.
Yellow?
Yeah.
That might have.
Can we just go?
You got him, Dane?
I think. Yeah, I have them.
There's nothing else there to pull it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's all baby. Here's a baby.
Aggressive.
Oh crap! No.
Do redneck style. Why can't we pull overfish again?
That's a better one. Don't not too fast, Dane. Remember, you pull it in. Don't reel it in. You pull.
Oh, it's still on? I thought it was.
Hurt! Oh yeah. No, I got that. Hey, you reel up a little bit too much.
I know. Accidentally.
Now look at it. Get up, Dana! He was nice one every single time. He's gonna run it. Dave? Wait, I see him. That's a massive one. I did not take that. Look at that.
Is that like a record?
That is a huge
That's insane.
white perch.
Here, I'll grab the net. Oh.
Oh, he's right there.
Is it big?
It's a really nice fish. Hurry up. Dad, hurry up.
Do it right here. Holy crap.
Oh, I saw a lot. I saw a fish. You're one of the upside down. It was that like
It's big.
Is it still there?
Yes. Oh. The sheep head.
Chuck it up here.
Oh, it's a giant.
It's a big one. Get him. Dad, you get it? Mom, someone? I've got this one.
Somebody get the
Oh, it's a sheep head.
stupid.
Yeah. Winner.
And it's snagged, or like,
That's why you couldn't tell it's a sheep head because it's a snag.
Yeah.
Good job, babe.
so many hooks and stuff.
Take care of your side. Bring my side for them.
He didn't hit like a walleye though, but spike like one. That might be a big sheep.
Yeah, it's a giant sheep head.
I think
a
it's
walleye.
snagged.
Oh, it's giant.
It's snagged.
No, I've seen it go, but I
Yeah,
didn't
but
do
then-
that. Walleye's usually just sweep right to me.
Let's go!
Nice
Better one though.
Woo!
Oh, that thing was giant. It feels so much bigger on this rod.
Yeah, that's a,
Oh yeah.
that's
Good
a
way to end off the day.
You'll see the. Oh yeah, nice one.
Hey, no pull so fast.
Another good one.
Woo! Stay nice for a little bit longer,
Another
boy.
big one.
No.
Oh,
My
another
new
nice
lure.
one. Okay, we've now reeled all the rods up and we're putting everything away, or we're gonna hold up the fish for a picture, and then we'll be done with the fishing, and we'll head back to port. Okay guys, this is the fish we ended off with. Got a couple big ones. How many did we get? Like 6?
That's 6. It's like 12.
Caught 12, probably 12, and kept 6. But that'll be the end of this video. So make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And I'll see you in the next one.